Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Children, we have finished our lesson 6, that is the food we eat. Okay, so today we'll write the class work. Make your note and pencil ready and we'll write the class work. And children, before that, let us have a quick recap on this chapter. Okay, let us discuss again, then we'll write the classwork. So in this chapter we have studied about staple food, food grains, pulses, fruits and vegetables, spices, sweets, the way we cook our food and transporting the food. And what is staple food, children? The food that people in a region eat most often becomes their staple food. Like rice is staple food for us, right? And India is a very big country and we can find mountains, plains, desert, all kind of landforms. And according to the landform, climates also differ from place to place. And so that as per the landform and climate, crops grows, okay, and that becomes the staple food for that particular region. Example, rice grows well in areas where it rains a lot, like West Bengal, and the people of East and South India mainly eat rice. Rice cannot be grown properly where rains very little, okay, where it rains very little, like Rajasthan. So wheat, jowar, bajra, these are the staple foods in Rajasthan, because the people there eat most uh, wheat, bajra and jowar. Okay. And in coastal areas, a lot of fish is eaten as it is available in plenty in the sea. Okay, then what you can see, wheat, rice, jowar, corn, these are the food grains. Okay. In the northern states of India, people generally eat wheat and rice, and west to Rajasthan, it is desert area where wheat, jowar, corn and bajra are commonly eaten, and in southern and eastern states, rice is the staple food. Okay, then we'll see the pulses, rajma, channa, arhar dal and moong dal. So pulses are popular in all parts of our country, and rajma, channa, arhar dal, moong dal are pulses that are eaten in many parts of India, and beside that many other type of pulses also we eat, correct? And fruits and vegetables along with food grains, fruits and vegetables also form a part of the Indian meal. Different fruits grow best in different states in our country. Okay, like Kashmir is famous for its apples, cherries and strawberries. Himachal Pradesh is famous for its apples. Ladakh is famous for apricots. Nagpur in Maharashtra is famous for its oranges. Then the world famous Alfonso mangoes are grown in Ratnagiri in Maharashtra, and Dasari mangoes come from Uttar Pradesh. And the pineapples grown in Assam, Goa and Kerala are really sweet. Coconut grows in the coastal states such as Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and Children, fruits and vegetables that are available only in a particular season are called seasonal fruits and seasonal vegetables. Okay. So we have different type of fruits and vegetables which we get in summer, winter and some throughout the year. So fruits and vegetables that are available only in a particular season are called seasonal fruits and vegetables. And I told you some seasonal fruits and vegetables like during the summer bottle gourd, lady's finger, mango, lychee. During the winter we find beans, cauliflower, capsicum, peas, apple, grapes, and we can find potato, onion, plantain, papaya, this kind of vegetable and fruits throughout the year. And we have studied about spices. Our India is famous for its food because of the spices we use in our food. So Indian food has become popular worldwide. This is mainly because of the special spices we use in our food. Okay, and turmeric, cloves, pepper, cardamom, coriander, these are some type of spices. Okay, and these spices add flavor, color and taste to our food. And we have studied about the sweets also, which you like most. Indian sweets are also very famous. Rasagulla, laddus, barfi, gulab jamun, Mysore pak are some popular Indian sweets. And you must have eaten and enjoyed sweets in the wedding and festivals in at your home also. Okay, how we cook our food? Indian food is usually cooked in ghee, mustard oil, groundnut oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil or sasume oil. Food in India is cooked in a variety of ways, and sometimes we boil and eat, sometimes we fry steamed food like idli, and sometimes baked like cake, and sometimes roasted. Okay, then people who eat egg, fish or meat are called non-vegetarians. People who do not eat fish or meat are called vegetarians, and people who do not eat any animal product including milk are called vegans. How we transport our food, children? Have you ever wondered how food reaches to us? The farmers grow crops in their field or farm. Then the farmers take their produce to wholesale markets or mandi. Shopkeepers and vendors buy fruits, vegetables, pulses and grains from here. And then we buy food from the shops and vendors in the market. So like this food reaches to us. No country in the world can boast of the variety in food that India offers. Okay, so our India is having variety of landforms and climates, and we grow variety of food. And children, I told you the question and answers, and from this some question and answers will write in our classwork. Okay, so first I will tell you all the question and answers. Why do people in different regions of India eat different kinds of food? Answer is India is a vast country with varied landforms and climate. The food eaten in different region of the country depends on the climate and soil of that place. Okay, so for that people of India eat different kinds of food. Okay, and next was why has Indian food become popular worldwide? Tell me, children. It's because of the spices we use in our cooking. Indian food has become popular worldwide mainly due to the spices we use in our cooking. Third one, what are the different kinds of fruits found in India? Here we have written some fruits. In India, we grow bananas, mangoes, apples, oranges, pineapples, cherries, and apricots. And which are the different types of oils used in our cooking? The different types of oils used in our cooking are groundnut, sasume, sunflower, coconut, and these oils, and we use ghee also. And how does the crop grown by the farmers reaches us? Just now we have discussed. The farmers grow crops in their field or farm. The farmers then take their produce to the wholesale markets or mandi. Then shopkeepers and vendors buy fruits, vegetables, pulses and grains from here. We buy food from shops and vendors in the market. Are you clear, children, about the food we eat? Are you clear about the chapter? Okay, fine. So, we'll write classwork now. So, first you write the heading, the food we eat, and lesson 6. Okay, the food we eat, and it's our lesson 6. So children, now we'll write the new words. First one, pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S. Pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S. Pulses. Second one, grain. G-R-A-I-N. Grain. G-R-A-I-N. Grain. Third one, region. R-E-G-I-O-N. R-E-G-I-O-N. Region. Fourth one is produce. P-R-O-D-U-C-E. P-R-O-D-U-C-E. Produce. Fifth one, spices. S-P-I-C-E-S. Spices. S-P-I-C-E-S. Spices. Sixth one, clove. C-L-O-V-E. Clove. Sixth one, C-L-O-V-E. Clove. Seventh one, cardamom. C-A-R-D-A-M-O-M. C-A-R-D-A-M-O-M. Cardamom. Next, eighth one, pepper. P-E-P-P-E-R. P-E-P-P-E-R. Pepper. Okay. So finish, children. Next, Roman number 2. Write Roman number 2 and the heading is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Finished, children? So we'll see the first one. So write number 1. The food that people eat most is called their dash food, children. Staple food. Okay. So staple food. The food that people eat most is called their staple food. The food that people eat most is called their staple food. Second one, vegetables that grow in a particular season only are dash vegetables, seasonal vegetables. Okay, just write it down. Vegetables that grow in a particular season only are seasonal vegetables. Vegetables that grow in a particular season only are seasonal vegetables. Okay, children. Next, Nagpur is famous for dash. Okay, write the answer. Nagpur is famous for oranges. Third one, okay? Just write number 3. Nagpur is famous for oranges. Nagpur is famous for oranges. Next, fourth one, a food grain that can grow well in the climate of Rajasthan is dash wheat. Okay, the food grain that can grow well in the climate of Rajasthan is wheat. A food grain that can grow well in the climate of Rajasthan is wheat. Okay. Next, fifth one, Alfonso mangoes are a specialty of Ratnagiri in Maharashtra. Okay, the question is, dash mangoes are a specialty of Ratnagiri in Maharashtra. Alfonso mangoes are a specialty of Ratnagiri in Maharashtra. Alfonso mangoes are a specialty of Ratnagiri in Maharashtra. Okay, children. In your book exercise also, you have this fill in the blanks. So you just complete your book exercise also, because same thing is there in your book exercise also, children. Okay. Next, Roman number 3. This is also there in your book exercise. You can write in your book exercise also if you got the books. Okay. Give 3 examples of the following. Give 3 examples of the following. Spices. First one, spices. Cardamom, clove, bay leaves. So in spices, so many types of spices are there. So in your book, you can write some other type of spices also. Okay, spelling should be correct. So I gave you 3 here: cardamom, clove, bay leaves. Okay, these are 3 spices. Next, vegetables. Potato, onion, beans. These are 3 vegetables. Okay, potato, onion, beans. And so many vegetables are there. You can write other vegetable name also. Then food grains. Wheat, rice, bajra. Wheat, rice, bajra. Okay. Sweets. Laddu, gulab jamun, rasagullas. Laddu, gulab jamun, rasagullas. Then and fifth one, dishes made from rice. So some of the dishes made from rice are palau, idli, appam. Palau, idli, appam. These are some dishes made from rice. Okay, then what we have written: spices, cardamom, clove, bay leaves, vegetables, potato, onion, beans, food grains, wheat, rice, bajra, and sweets, laddu, gulab jamun, rasagullas, and dishes made from rice, palau, idli, and appam. Okay. Next, children, answer the following. Next is answer the following. Make a heading. Answer the following. This was Roman number 3. So you can write here Roman number 4. Okay. So this is your Roman number 4. Okay. So answer the following. Fine. First one. Why do people in different regions of India eat different kinds of foods? Why do people in different regions of India eat different kinds of foods? Write the question. And answer is, India is a vast country with varied landforms and climate. India is a vast country with varied landforms and climate. The food eaten in different regions of the country depends on the climate and soil of that place. The food eaten in different regions of the country depends on the climate and soil of that place. Example: rice grows best in areas where it rains a lot. Rice grows grows best in areas where it rains a lot. Okay, children. So, India is a vast country with varied landforms and climate. The food eaten in different regions of the country depends on the soil of that place. Example, climate and soil of that place. And example, rice grows best in areas where it rains a lot. Next question. Why has Indian food become popular worldwide? Write the question, children. You know the answer very well. Why has Indian food become popular worldwide? So why has Indian food become popular worldwide? Indian food has become popular worldwide mainly due to the spices we use in our cooking. Indian food has become popular worldwide mainly due to the spices we use in our cooking. Third one, what are the different kinds of fruits found in India? What are the different kinds of fruits found in India? And the answer is, in India we grow bananas, mangoes, apples, oranges, pineapples, cherries and apricots. In India we grow bananas, mangoes, apples, oranges, pineapples, cherries and apricots. Okay, so these are the different kind of fruit we found in India. So right, children, in India we grow bananas, mangoes, apples, oranges, pineapples, cherries and apricots. So finished, children? Yes, here is one activity for you. Speak about your favorite fruit or vegetable. Okay, which you like most. You have to speak for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so this is the activity for you. So speak about your favorite fruit or vegetable, and you can send it in the group also. Okay, and next class will go to new lesson. So till that you just complete your classwork and study this chapter well. Okay, children. So thank you, children.